Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei FreeBuds 4 and I will show you how you can connect them with your iPhone. So we got two methods. The first one, you have to go for the Bluetooth settings, tap on the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth, then open case of your FreeBuds 4 and tap on this button. Click and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator on the star on the front start blinking. Right now we can release and take a look on the other devices. After a few moments, FreeBuds 4 will pop on this list, just be patient. Right now, tap on them once. And as you can see right now, we are finally connected, so we can use our earbuds. That's the fastest method. But we got another option by using Huawei AI Live application. And if you want to connect them with the AI Live application, at the first you have to make the same connection like here, through the Bluetooth. After that, you have to go for the App Store, tap on the search pool and type AI Live. This one. We have to get this application. When you download this application, you can simply open it. After that, you have to accept all the permission that pops on your screen. Everything that pops here, we have to accept. Then you have to click here. And you have to remember that it's very important to connect them first manually, like in the first method. And after that, when you make it, we'll be able to connect them right here. So click connect, keep them close to your iPhone. As you can see right now it's finished, we are connected. So we can click done and then tap right here. As you can see right now, we are finally connected. So as I said before, we got two methods. The first one through the Bluetooth settings and the second one with AI Live application, but we have to use the first method. So connect them first to the Bluetooth and then download the AI Live application and connect them just like that. So as you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.